Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the MSI Modern 15 HC13M. To open this device, you need to undo 11 Phillips head screws. Insert a thin plastic tool at around a 45-degree angle in between the plate and the base while prying the sides. You have to push harder than usual while sliding the tool. Now, you can pry the front and the back normally. The battery here is the base 39.3 watt-hour model. You can opt for the optional 53.8 watt-hour variant. To take it out, pull out the connector from the main board and undo the 4 Phillips head screws that keep the unit in place. The battery has enough juice for around 7 hours of web browsing or 5 hours of video playback. To achieve that, you have to apply the Balanced preset in the MSI Center and select the Balance mode in the BIOS in the User Scenario section. The Balanced preset is also activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu, and the Adaptive Sync Plus option is turned on in the Intel Graphics Command Center. The RAM zone is covered with 2 foils that are glued to a rubber element that also makes contact with the bottom plate for better internal structural support. According to MSI, the 2 SODIMMs can handle up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. For storage, there is just one M.2 slot for 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. We found a thick thermal pad below the pre-installed NVMe. The cooling looks potent, especially for an iGPU-only laptop. It comprises a pair of fans, 3 decently sized heat pipes, 2 heat sinks, and a heat spreader.